Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So whether it can be a Black Friday or Green Friday, let's see based on this analysis. Okay. So what we discussed yesterday. So in case if Nifty, okay, in case if Nifty closed above today's high, because earlier my view was only when I said Nifty is making bottom here, I clearly said my view is still 25,811 as bullish side. Okay, above this I am seeing, in case if a Nifty again closes today 15 minutes candle above this level, then we discussed we can see target up to 25,940 level, maximum 26k level in case if Nifty closes 15 minutes candle above 811. And again what we discussed, in case Nifty closes a candle below this zone, okay, if Nifty closes candle below 25,800, then we also discussed that Nifty might come and test this zone 25,600 to 640 zone. Okay, 25,600 to 640 zone. We also discussed Nifty might hold at this area, okay, which is 25,700 to 740 zone. In case if Nifty holds at 25,700 to 740 level, and it creates a green candle on 15 minutes time frame, then we thought of going long for 25,811 as a target, above this 25,940 as a target. This was our plan yesterday. So in case if Nifty closes below 800, I said I'm seeing this level as first level, 700 to 740 zone. In case if Nifty closes below this zone, then I said we will be seeing this zone as of today. Okay, I don't think market will give more dip than this today. From here it can go sideways, and it might give us some recovery. If it is not going sideways, it might give some recovery. Again, I will not say that market is not going to fall at all. In case if market falls, that those chances of falling below this today's low is 20 to 30%. In case if it breaks today's low, so we will be seeing again this zone 25,400. Okay, 25,400 to 440 zone. We will be coming and testing this zone. Like 3 4 videos back only we discussed, we have a fair value gap area, this one which I have highlighted in blue color. We might come and test this zone. Okay, in case if Nifty close a 15 minutes candle below today's low. If it is not closing 15 minutes candle below today's low, then what is our game plan for tomorrow? Let's see our game plan for tomorrow. Let me clear the screen so that we can see our game plan for tomorrow. How can we play tomorrow's market? Okay, so generally when you see any big movement on a single day, next day will be kind of a doji candle. So in case if it gets a follow up for today's candle, it means that that is a serious selling. Okay, so my view was still 25,811, so that view is done. So when this candle closed below, this is where I have entered the short position as per my view, and I was holding my trade at this level. I booked some quantity, and when it is not creating a green candle, when it closed a red candle below this level, then I holded the rest of quantity to this level, and I've booked 100% of my quantity here at this level as of intraday. So on Nifty in general, I will not play positional. Even I know the view, I will play intraday only, very less quantity I will carry forward as BTST. Okay, generally I will not prefer to carry BTST in indexes, because we never know how market can react. It can open 10% gap down, 10% gap up. Okay, so that risk can be 10 to 20% out of 100 times. 10 times or 20 times it can happen like that, but whatever 90 times we have earned profit. In case if our view goes wrong, market opens huge gap up or huge gap down, this 10% of cases, this 90% profit will get wiped off. So carrying I will not suggest for everyone. In case if you carry, suppose if you have entered 10 lots today in intraday, you book 8 lots by end of the day, only 2 lots you carry. These 2 lots, in case if market opens 100% gap down also, you'll just lose from the profit which you have gained as a option buyer. If you are an option seller, means you will be in serious loss if it goes opposite to your direction. Okay, so now what is our view for tomorrow? In case if market opens flat here, 25 580 to 600. Okay, anywhere between this zone tomorrow, 25 580 to 600. Anyways, if it opens between this zone tomorrow, and if it breaks this high, which is 25,640, and closes a green candle, okay, always wait for a candle close, which is what I'm shouting from day one when I started making these videos. So always wait for a candle close. Don't enter in a running candle either upside or downside. Always wait for a candle close. Sometimes you might miss the move, but that is fine. But most of the times you will be on the safer side. So now when Nifty closes about 25,640, you can aim for target of this level, okay, which is 25 700 to 720 above 640, because now above you will have a selling pressure, because today we have seen the selling. So upside you should be little careful when you're entering. Suppose if you're trading with 5 lots every day, trade with 2 or 3 lots. Now reduce your quantity. This is the time to reduce your quantity on the upside. So above 640, if a green candle close, this is our target. Above 740, if a candle close, 25,811, which is already our previous target which we have achieved. So this will be our target again. So we can go back and retest this zone when we close above 25,740. Okay, above 640, this is your target. Above this candle closing, 15 minutes candle closing, then 25,811 will be your target. Now upside, you trade with very less quantity even if you are seeing a breakout. Okay, now what is the view for downside? So if a candle close below this level, 25,555. Let's keep a fancy number, 25,555. If a 15 minutes candle closing below this level, I'm seeing this level. Okay, 25,477. Okay, 25,477 will be our first target when a candle close below this level. Below this, I'm seeing market might take support at 25. At least for one time it is going to take support at 25 400 to 420 zone. So be careful at this zone. If you are short also, now we are in the middle of nowhere. Okay, from here if you are trading downside or upside, you trade with less quantity, because from anywhere market can take support and reverse. When it reverse from anywhere, it can take resistance and come down. So the big levels will open up about 25,811 and below 25,400. Then only we will be seeing big movement either up or down. Okay, till we are now in between of these levels, 25,811 and 25,400. In between we are now at 25,600 zone. So in between, when you are trading either breakout or breakdown, you trade with less quantity. If you are a trader of 5 lots, trade with 2 or 3 lots. If you are a trader of 2 lots, trade with 1 lot. If you are a trader of 10 lots, trade with 5 lots. So this should be your game plan. As simple as that. About 25,640, 700 to 740 is target. Above this 811 is target. Below 25,555, 25,477 is target. And we have a support at 25,400 to 420 zone. So you should be booking your 80% of profits in case if market reaches this level. At this level, you wait, see the price action. If market is closing a solid green candle after testing this zone, that candle low as an SL with that candle high as an entry, you can look for the trades upside. Okay, again upside you trail 100 points, 80 to 100 points in Nifty. So this is the game plan for Nifty. So now what is the game plan for Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty we discussed yesterday. If market close above yesterday's high, which is 61,600, if a 15 minutes candle close above this level, either opening flat or if it opens gap up and give a dip, and then if it creates a green candle, then we thought of entering upside for the target of 61,777. And there are other targets also which I've given for the upside. But what happened, market opened gap up and closed below yesterday's high with a solid red candle. And I also said, in case if dip is coming, so if market closes below 61,500, we said we will be reaching this level for the support, okay, which is 61,200 to 240 zone, which we discussed in yesterday's video. In case if market is taking support here, okay, and if you are seeing a green candle creating at this zone, we thought of entering long by keeping this candle low as a stop loss. And again our targets from here will be 61,333, 61,444, 61,555. So that's what we discussed in yesterday's video. But at this level also we have not seen a green candle closing. Immediately two red candles went sideways, and then you are seeing a red candle broken down this range. Okay, so now, and I also said, in case if market comes to 60,700 to 800 zone, 60,700 to 800, 850 zone, So this is where we can attempt for buying if market creates a good solid green candle at this zone by entering with that candle high, by keeping stop loss that candle low. So now still market is have not approached this zone, so we should wait for market approaching this zone. Here in case if market creates goes sideways and creates a solid green candle with a positive price action on 15 minutes time frame, so we can enter long with this candle high as our entry, with candle low as our stop loss, and our target will be 61,200. Okay, first you can aim for 61,000 and next you can aim for 61,200. First target will be 61,000 as it is a round number. Always round number, when it is coming from top to down it will act as a support, when it's coming from bottom to top it will act as a resistance. Okay, so if you see here also, so today this green candle is created when it tested that 61,000 level. Okay, if next candle would have crossed above this candle, then market would have went upside, but next candle itself we have seen a solid red candle. So here at this level, there will be algo orders placed at the round numbers. Whenever market reaches there, those algo orders will get generated and you will see a green candle or red candle, whichever side it is coming. And people will get trapped by seeing that candle because they are not aware of the price action, and they'll get trapped. And likewise, next candle will be red. People who have entered here at this 61K level by seeing this green candle, they are trapped already. Okay, always you have to wait for a candle close, look for a positive price action. Okay, so now our upside targets at this level, if it comes and creates a green candle, 61K is our first target, 61,200 is our next target. In case if market breaks 61,700, if market breaks 61,700, I am seeing my first target as 61,400 and next target as, sorry, not 61,000, it is 60,700. If it is breaking, I am seeing 60,400 as my first target and 60,100 as my next target. Okay, again here you have 200 points difference, so it is up to you whether you wanted to tail 100 points or 200 points in bank nifty. It is up to you, you have to decide. So this is my game plan. I will only short bank nifty if it closes a 15-minute candle below 60,700. This will be my first target, 60,400, and my next target will be 60,100. So this is my game plan for tomorrow in bank nifty. So hope you are going through my videos and it is helping you guys. I am releasing these videos way before market close so that you can make your decisions based on where price is there, whether you want to carry positions, whether you want to cut your positions. So it is up to you, you can decide it yourself. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm not giving any buy sell recommendations here. In case if you want to buy anything or sell anything, please consult your financial advisors or any SEBI research analyst. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel if you are a new subscriber who is coming and viewing this video for the first time. So please pass on our channel to your friends group. Let's together grow this channel so that we can all get benefits out of this channel. Okay, in terms of learning. Thank you everyone.